Hello friends, myself R.A.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad, presenting my next video on complex number. Let us see that example. If absolute value of Z1 is equals to absolute value of Z2, or mod of Z1 is equals to mod of Z2, and amplitude of Z1 plus amplitude of Z2 is equals to 0, given information, then show that Z1 and Z2 are conjugate complex number. And therefore, to prove this, let's consider the first complex number Z1 as x1 plus iy1 and Z2 as second complex number x2 plus iy2. Given information is here. Mod of Z1 is equals to mod of Z2. That is absolute value of Z1 means root of x1 square plus y1 square, real part square plus imaginary part square, is equals to root of x2 square plus y2 square. Squaring both sides. We get x1 square plus y1 square is equals to x2 square plus y2 square. We call this equation 1. Second information, amplitude of Z1 plus amplitude of Z2 is equals to 0. Amplitude, as per definition, it is given by tan inverse of y by x. Here it becomes y1 by x1 plus amplitude of the second number tan inverse of y2 upon x2. Transferring that term to other side, we get tan inverse of y1 upon x1 is equals to minus tan inverse of y2 upon x2. And all we know that minus tan inverse theta is tan inverse of minus theta, and therefore it is tan inverse of minus y2 upon x2. Tan inverse we can cancel on both sides, and therefore we get y1 upon x1 is equals to minus y2 upon x2. Solving it for y1, this implies we get y1 as minus x1 y2 divided by x2. We call this as equation 2. We substitute this value in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes plus y1 square. The value of y1 is minus x1 y2 upon x2 bracket square is equals to x2 square plus y. We take x1 by x2 square common from this. Therefore, x1 square by x2 square common from this first two terms If we are taking x1 by x2 square common, here it remains x2 square plus x1 by x2 square common, here remains y2 square, and that is equals to x2 square plus these two terms get cancelled, and that is x1 square by x2 square is equals to, we get 1. It implies x1 square is equals to x2 square, that is x1 is equals to plus minus x2. Two values for x1, plus x2 as well as minus x2. We consider any one of this. Therefore, I will consider the value of x1 as plus x2. Substituting that value in equation 2. Substituting that value of x1 as plus x2 in this result, we get it implies y1 is equals to minus x1 y2 upon x2, and the value of x2 is x1. X1 get cancelled, we get y1 is equals to minus y2. Okay. Then how we can use these two results to obtain that required result? Conjugate of Z1 is Z1 bar. It is x1 minus I y1. Means this way to prove that it is equals to Z2, and Z2 as x2 plus I y2. That is nothing but these two complex numbers are equal, means real part is equals to real part, x1 is equals to x2 and y1 is equals to minus y2. Means if we obtain these two results, x1 is equals to x2 and y1 equals to minus y2, Z1 and Z2 are conjugate complex numbers. And here we are getting the same. Here we get x1 is equal to x2, first result, and the second y1 equals to minus y2. And as we have these two results, it means that Z1 and Z2 are conjugate of each other, or these are conjugate complex number. Hence proved. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for new videos or latest updates. Thank you very much.